Spoken English conversation. Subscribe please.
V1 base form hate. V2 past form hated. V3 past participle hated. V4 present par, hating. V5 SESIES hates. Question 1. What is the base form of the verb hate? Answer. The base form of the verb hate is hate. Question 2. What is the past form of the verb hate? Answer. The past form of the verb hate is hated. Question 3. What is the past participle of the verb hate? Answer. The past participle of the verb hate is hated. Question 4. What is the present participle of the verb hate? Answer. The present participle of the verb hate is hating. Question 5. What is the third person singular SESIs of the verb hate? Answer. The third person singular SESIs of the verb hate is hates.
Verb forms example sentences.
V1 I hate waking up early. V2 yesterday, she hated the movie. V3 the decision was widely hated. V4 he is hating the new policy. V5 she hates waiting in line.
Subscribe my channel.